And now, your Storm Shield forecast with NBC 26 meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Here's a look at snowfall totals so far. Westfield picking up the most in our area, at least for now. 4 inches there. Silver Lake 2.7 inches. Neenah 2 inches, as well as Suamico. Green Bay officially at the airport 1.6 inches so far. And then Manitowoc 1.5. Temperatures today fairly mild, have been above freezing for most of the day. So a lot of that snow is compacting. It's very wet. It's very also heavy in that manner as well. Here's a look at the types of snow we usually see depending on the temperature. And when you have temperatures in the 30s, that snow is very heavy and wet. It's good for snowmen, but it can make for some slick and slushy conditions on the roads. And for roads that haven't been treated or plowed yet, some of those roads could be a little bit slippery as we move through the evening hours. Here's a look at that winter weather advisory for most areas. This continues until 6 o'clock, including Green Bay, Appleton as well. But down to the south, Marquette through Sheboygan County, our lowest tier of counties or bottom tier of counties, that's where that advisory continues until midnight tonight, and the snow will linger just a little bit longer. Here's a look at this big snow band that we have across northeast Wisconsin, where it's a little bit lighter up to the north of Green Bay. We're actually seeing a little bit of mixing with some raindrops as well. Down to the south, that's some steadier snow from Appleton down through Oshkosh, and that's adding up a little bit to higher down to the south. So our snowfall totals will probably be the most across southern parts of the viewing area, also back towards central Wisconsin as well. Green Bay, we're looking at probably will top out with around 2 inches or so at most. Here's a look at visibility. We are seeing some reduced visibility down to the south where that snow is a little bit heavier, down to 1 3/4 in Fond du Lac, 1.25 miles right now the visibility in Sheboygan. It's 1 mile the current visibility in Oshkosh. In Green Bay, wet roads, 35 degrees right now, a north wind at 9 miles per hour. Winds will be a little bit blustery into tonight, down to 34 degrees right now in Appleton with winds sustained at 14 miles per hour. Temperatures sitting in the lower to middle 30s. Temperatures will slowly drop tonight. It's going to take some time, but eventually later tonight they will drop at least a little bit below freezing for most areas, so that could make for a few slick spots out on the roads. Winds will be breezy through the overnight out of the north, sustained as high as 10 to 15 miles per hour. Wind chills, because of those blusterier winds, have been dropped into the 20s across much of the area. 24-hour planner, that snow will gradually taper off from north to south as we go through the evening and overnight hours. Tomorrow, a lot of clouds. It'll be another day like today with highs generally in the low to mid 30s, but then also it will be a little bit blustery. Not looking for accumulating snow, but a few flurries for your day on Thursday. Tonight, Skycast showing the snow wrapping up tomorrow. A lot of clouds. It'll be breezy, slightly cooler, but still fairly mild for this time of the year, and just a few scattered flurries possible. Snow this season, we're up to 31.8 inches rather in Green Bay. And we do look to get some more snow, accumulating snow in the forecast for early next week. Tonight down to 30. Snow tapers off. Tomorrow a few flurries. Otherwise a lot of clouds and highs generally in the middle 30s. Then your extended forecast looking like this. Same kind of weather pattern right through the weekend with us seeing a lot of clouds, a few flurries, but cooler temperatures. That'll be the big change.
You know, it was a winter wonderland outside today. It was so pretty.
It was pretty, you know, because we've done a lot of melting. It's been kind of gloomy and dreary, so this helped with that.
It's white and bright again.
Yes, it is.
Well,